This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to start. Confirm Chrome is updated and you're signed into your Google account. Install the Chrome AI extension now from the Extensions menu and grant the minimal permissions it requests. This allows access to page context for smarter results. Once installed, pin the extension to the toolbar so it's always visible. Make sure sync is enabled so prompts and preferences carry across devices. Now click the extension icon to begin the first configuration flow. Once the extension is open, configure core settings. Choose language, preferred tone, and whether it should include page content by default. You'll want to enable site-specific access for pages you trust so responses use live context. This improves accuracy. Learn the keyboard shortcut and right-click commands to summon AI quickly. As you test, refine prompt templates and saved styles to speed repeat tasks. Remember to verify whether browsing or external tool integrations are enabled for expanded functionality. To finish, save any custom templates, enable automation like auto summaries, and tie the extension into your workflow with pinned shortcuts. Make sure privacy settings match your comfort level and clear stored extension data if you need a clean start. If the extension behaves oddly, disable other extensions to check for conflicts, then restart Chrome. Often that resolves permission or resource issues. Finally, rerun the initial setup if prompts fail to load, and contact support through the extension UI if problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.